Hello guys, so today we will learn about Git. Git is a version control system used to track changes in code and collaborate on software projects. It lets multiple developers work on the same project without overwriting each author's work. Git keeps a history of all changes so you can easily revert to previous versions if needed. It's like a time machine for your code, ensuring that you can manage and share your work effectively. These are the basic user configuration commands for Git. And this is the basic commands for Git. Thank you for watching.